Okay, so this video is part 2 of the Candlebox Far Behind. The last video I did, I'll leave it up there for you if you want to check it out. So play the 10 on the A and 10 on the B, back to the 10 on the A, back to the 10 on the B, and slide up to the 12 on the B. Back to the 10 on the A to the 10 on the B. So altogether it sounds like this. One more time. Then play the low E. Then go to the 8th fret on the B, 7th fret on the E, and then the 7th fret on the B, and the 5th fret on the A. And you pick those twice. So it sounds like this. One more time. Do those two together. One more time. Go to the open D string, then play E, B, and D strings. Then play the open A, go to the 2nd fret on the A, to the 3rd fret on the A. While you're playing this chord, C add 9 chord, hit the 2 on the D string, the G string, and the 3rd fret on the B string. Then go back up from the 3rd fret on the B string to the G string to the D string. Do everything the same. One more time. Do that again. And then play that C add 9, 3rd fret, 2nd fret on the D, open G, 3rd fret on the B. And then play the 3rd fret on the A, open G, and 3rd fret on the B. Then the 2nd fret on the A, open G and B. So it sounds like this. Then go back to the same thing. Then high E, 3rd fret on the B, open G. Do that again. Then the last time, before it goes into the chorus. Then does a pick scrape before it goes into the chorus. Okay, so what he's doing in the chorus, he's playing the G chord, 4 count, then open low E, then power chord, E power chord on the 7th fret of the A and 9th fret of the D. Then hit the D, go down 2 frets, palm mute it, and then open, four counts, and then to the C for 4 counts, and then B for 1, and then back to the G. And then what the other guitar is doing playing the octave on the 7 and the second time of the chorus is 7th fret on the A, 9th fret on the G. That's an octave. Then go up 2 frets. Then up 1 more fret to the 10th. Down to the 9th. To the 5. Up to the 7th on the A. Alright, here's the guitar solo. Go to the 12th fret on the G string. To the 14th fret. Pick it again. Back to the 12th. Sounds like this. Then third time, pull off from the 14th to the 12th on the G. Then hold step bend on the 15th fret of the B string twice. Then go to the 12th fret on the high E and bend on the 15th fret of the B. Do that 5 times. So play up to that point slow. Do it one more time. And a whole step bend again on the 15th. Then 12, 14 on the high E. To 15 on the B. And 12, 14, 15 on the high E. And then whole step bend on the high E. Release it. Then 14, 15 on the high E. Then half step bend on the 14th fret. And the 4th time, release it to the 12. Then 15 a B, to 12 on the E. Then bend on the 15th of the B, back to the 12 on the E. Bend on the 14th fret on the G string. Release it. And then 12 on the G, 14 on the D. Do that twice. So it looks like this. Play the 12th fret on the G and B. It's called double stops. Then the 14th fret twice on the D string. It sounds like this. Play the open E and bend on the 15th fret of the B to the 12 on that high E and pull off the 15th to the 12 on the B and whole step bend on the G, release it to the 12 and back up. So it sounds like this. Then 12, 15 on the B, 14 on the G, to 12 on the B, then hold that bend on the G string, the 14th fret, release it to the 12, then 14th on the D, 14 on the G, back to 12 on the G. Together slow. Then he does this cool quick run. 10, 12 on the low E, 10 on the A, to 12 on the E, then 12, 10 on the A, and slide from 12 to the 14th on the A, then 12, 14 on the D, and do double stop at the 14th of the G and B, then 14 on the D, then 14 on the G, to the 12 on the G, to the 14th on the D. And do 12 on the high E, then 15 on the B, whole step bend on the G. Then 12, 15 on the B, whole step on the G. Do that twice. Those two together. While it's bent up, play the 15 on the B, bend again on, and then to the 12 on the B, then whole step bend, release it to the 12, and back up. Then play 12, 15 on the B to 14, then 12 again on the B, 15 two times on the B, then 12, 14 on the high E, 15 on the B, then 12, 14, 15 on the E. Sound like this. One more time. Then a whole step bend on the 17th fret of the high E twice. Again on the 17th on the high E. Release it to the 15. Then 17 on the B. Then 15 on the E, and 2 picks on the 18th fret of the B. So all together slowly from the beginning. If you're enjoying this content, I'll put another video up here that you go watch next. What he's doing, he's hitting the open E, then he's strumming that chord once, and then E7 is 7 on the A, 6 on the D, 7 on the G, and 8 on the B. After he does this 14 times, then he does 7, 5 on the A, then 7, 6, 5 on the low E. Then it goes to the chorus, plays this for 8 counts. Then hit the low E, so it plays the G 8 times, the E 8 times, back to the G, 8 more counts, and then the E power chord 4 counts, and then does that 7, 5, on the A, and then 7-6-5 on the low E. Does that again. Ends on the G. And I'll see you in the next one.